Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Hello, friend. Where'd the puffy one go? I thought it was a chickadee.
There's chickadees
And nuthatches?
and nuthatches.
The nuthatches are the skinnier ones, right?
The nuthatches, yes, and they have like a red breast,
Right.
and they point downwards on the tree.
They're crazy. I love them. I also love chickadees. In the summer, at my mom's house, you can hear them like first thing in the morning, be like chickadee dee 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 forever, which is really annoying when you want to sleep, but beautiful when you don't.
I love chickadees, but my favorite are the nuthatches.
Yeah.
They're just like, they make this cute little,
Yeah. Like beep beep beep.
yeah.
You're right.
And they point down.